Question 1. X to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 11 equals 0. We need to solve this equation by completing the squares, or the method of completing the squares. First, we have to know that completing the squares is used in many questions about quadratic equations or quadratic functions, like rewriting the equation in the form of complete squares, solving the equation by completing the squares, sketching the graph of the function or quadratic function, and some other questions. To solve by completing the squares, first the equation should be written in the standard form: ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals 0, and coefficient of x power 2 equal 1. If the equation is written in the standard form and coefficient of x power 2 equal 1, we can start our steps. What is the first step in our method? You have to take the middle number divided by 2 all to the power of 2. What is the middle number here? It's 4. You can take the middle number with positive sign or negative signs, it will be the same, no difference, because power 2 will give positive, whatever the number is positive or negative. 4 over 2 all to the power of 2 equal 4. This value we get from this step will be added and subtracted in this side. It's x to the power of 2 plus 4x will be added after the second one and subtracted at the end. After the second term we'll add this value. After the last term we'll subtract this value. The three first terms will be one bracket, and this bracket will be written as bracket power 2. What will be in this bracket? The square root of the first one, square root of the last one, and the middle sign will be the same. Square root of x power 2 x. Square root of 4 4. The middle sign is positive, so it will be x plus, sorry, it's 2, not 4. Square root of 4 equal 2. So it will be x plus 2 all to the power of 2 minus 15. Minus 11 minus 4 will be with calculator equal 0. Here this form is complete square form. X plus 2 all to the power of 2 minus 15 equal 0. How to use this form to solve the equation? First we'll move this number to the other side, so it will be x plus 2 all to the power of 2 equal 15. Take square root for both sides, and don't forget here, very important point, we have to put here positive and negative in the other side, and then cancel power 2 with the square root. It will be x plus 2 equal positive or negative root 15. Then move positive 2 to the other side, it will be x equal negative 2 plus or minus root 15. So we have two solutions: x equal negative 2 plus root 15, negative 2 minus root 15. And this is the final answer for this question. So to solve this question by completing the squares, the equation should be written in the standard form and the coefficient of x power 2 equal 1. If the equation is not written in the standard form, we have to rewrite the equation in the standard form. If the coefficient of x power 2 not equal 1, what we have to do to make it equal 1, we'll see now in the second question. Question 2. 2x to the power of 2 minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. First we said we have to make the coefficient of x power 2 equal 1. Equation should be written in the standard form: ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals 0, and the coefficient of x power 2 equal 1. If it's not equal 1, like this question, what we have to do? We have two methods. Either divide all parts by this coefficient it will be x to the power of 2 minus 3 over 2x minus 2 equal 0. Here divide by 2 will cancel 2 and 2, negative 3 over 2, negative 4 over 2 equal negative 2. This is one method, but it's better to take it as highest common factor, like this. Because in some other questions, if we want to use the complete square form to solve the question, like sketching the graph, we can't divide all parts by this coefficient. We have to take it as highest common factor. But here we'll take it as highest common factor because we only need to solve the equation. After writing the equation in this form and the coefficient equal 1, the first step is middle number divide by 2 all to the power of 2 equal 9 over 16. This number will be added after the second term, will be subtracted after the last term. So it will be x to the power of 2 minus 3 over 2x. After the second term we'll add this value minus 2. After the last term we'll subtract this value equal 0. We'll take the first three terms with each other. It will be bracket power 2 square root for the first one x, square root of the last one 3 over 4. The middle sign will be the same. Negative 2 minus 9 over 16 equal negative 41 over 16 equal 0. This is the complete square form for this equation. How to use it to solve? Similarly, the last question. First, move this part to the other side, so it will be x minus 3 over 4 all to the power of 2 equal 41 over 16. Square root for both sides, and don't forget positive and negative. Here we'll cancel root with power 2, then it will be x minus 3 over 4 equal positive or negative root 41 over 4. And the calculator, if you write root 41 over 16, it will be root 41 over 4. Then move this part to the other side, then x equal positive 3 over 4 plus or minus root 41 over 4. We have two solutions, 3 over 4 plus root 41 over 4, 3 over 4 minus root 41 over 4.